Robert lives alone in a small apartment. He is an old man. Robert likes quiet mornings, reading newspapers, and drinking coffee. His life is simple but peaceful. One day, Robert cleans his apartment. He finds an old photograph. It shows a young man and woman smiling. Robert smiles softly. The people in the picture are him and his friend Mary. They were best friends many years ago. Robert thinks about Mary. He has not seen her for many years. "Maybe I should find Mary," Robert says quietly. The next morning, Robert goes to the library. He asks the librarian for help. She helps him search for Mary's address. They find it together. Robert feels nervous but happy. Robert writes a letter to Mary. He waits patiently for a reply. Days later, a letter arrives. Robert feels excited and opens it carefully. Mary writes, "Dear Robert, I am very happy you wrote to me. Can we meet soon?" Robert smiles happily. He answers quickly. They plan to meet at a cafe near his apartment. On the day of the meeting, Robert feels nervous. He waits in the cafe. Soon an old woman enters. She looks around, then sees Robert and smiles warmly. "Robert," she says softly. "Mary." Robert stands up and smiles. They hug gently. They sit together and talk. They remember old times and laugh a lot. Mary says, "Robert, thank you for finding me. I missed our friendship." Robert smiles warmly. "Me too, Mary. Friends like you are special." From that day, Robert and Mary meet often. They go for walks, talk about their lives, and drink coffee together. Robert feels very happy. He knows friendship, even after many years, can be strong and beautiful. Every time Robert looks at the old photograph, he smiles. It reminds him of the power of friendship. Friends, he thinks, make life meaningful and joyful.